Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the CUBOT Max 3 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's find the reset option and as you can see on the very first position we've got the option we're looking for, so reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Let's enter. Here your device is informing you what exactly it will reset, so the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Let's tap on reset settings if you're ready. If you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, your device will ask you to enter it to confirm. And here we've got the information that we cannot undo this action. So if you're ready, tap on reset settings and let's wait a second. It may take a while, so be patient. And as you can see, network settings have been reset successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your CUBOT Max 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.